How to fix graphic card not detected on Windows. Click on Start, type Device Manager, and simply click on Enter. So here you can see new window of Device Manager. Scroll down and find Universal Serial Bus Controller and expand it. In case if you have here generic host controller, you should update it. In my case, I don't have it, but I show you steps what you need to do. So, okay. If this not help you, let's move to the next step. So open any folder and find this PC. Click on it. Right click on your local C drive. Click on Properties and navigate to Tools tab. So click on it and click on Check. So scan drive. Click on it and check your local disk for errors. It may take some time depending on how full is your storage. So let's wait a little bit. I will skip this part so you can see my drive scanned without errors. So I will close all windows and let's move to the next step. Click on the Start menu, type here Device Manager again and click on Enter. Now locate display adapters and expand it. Select your display adapter, right click, click on Properties, and here click on Driver. Now you need to update your driver. So click on it and browse your computer for drivers. Go to Next, select your driver and update it. Also, you can update it from internet, yes, in case if you are not able to find it. Okay, so expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers again, and one by one, double click and go to Power Manager and select option, deselect option, allow this computer to turn off device to save power. Make it for all universal bus controllers. And it should fix your problem. So latest what you can do is restart your computer and everything should work fine now. Okay guys, have a nice day.